Okay, so now we are going to go through power series BMQ question 3. Okay, so this is a simple question. Okay, let's look at question 3a first. Okay, so we know that x is small enough, we can neglect x cubed and the higher powers of x. Okay, so we want to show that x multiplied by sine x will give you divided by cos 2x will give you approximately x squared. Then how to go about doing this? Okay, it's very simple. All we need to do is we just use the MF26. So what does MF26 tell us? Okay, MF26 tells us this. Okay, so we have sine x. When we neglect x here, sine x, right? Okay, from MF26, this is approximately x. Okay, what is cos 2x? Again, from MF26, right? You know that cosine x, right, is approximately 1 minus x squared over 2. Okay, so what is cos 2x? How do you approximate cos 2x? Again, if x is small, okay, so in case you still don't know what's MF26, okay, so you refer to this portion. This MF26 is on page 2. Now just look at the sine x and the cos x formula. Okay, so one thing you must know that if this is mentioned in your lecture notes, if x is small, right, then 2x is also small. Okay, we can say that a small multiple of x is still small, right? Then cos x is 1 minus x squared over 2. Based on MF26, what is cos 2x? Then this is nothing but cos 2x. Okay, what is 1 minus x squared over 2? X squared. This will just be, you just sub x with 2x. That's all. You just replace x with 2x. Okay, then from here, you see actually more or less you have you are able to represent or write down a new representation of your expression. Okay, and this is approximately x multiplied by x. Since sine x, right, this is approximately x. Okay, now what is cos 2x? Cos 2x, remember I should write just now, this is approximately 1 minus 2x squared over 2. Okay, and this is equals to, now if I were to rewrite this, so if I were to rewrite this, means I'm to come to write this at the side instead of writing as a denominator. I'm going to write this in a more observable format. Okay, can you tell me what am I going to do next? Okay, okay, after next, what am I going to do next? So now, can you see that why do I write it in this form? Why do I write a denominator in this form? Okay, very simple. We are actually going to do power series. We are going to do expansion. Alright, so here we go on, and in our power series, let's say you forgot the power series, you just think about this. Okay, this is in the power series. This is the expression 1 term 1 factorial power 1, 2 terms 2 factorial power 2, n terms n factorial power r. Okay, then after next 1 minus plus negative 1 2x squared to the power of 1. So this is like the n, like these are the variable term, these are the n, so this is the variable term, this is the n, based on the formula. After that, do we go on? So remember, we are neglecting x cubed. We are neglecting x cubed, so we can basically just stop here. Okay. Alright, and we can approximate our answer. This is just going to give us approximately x squared. Okay, again, if you observe that, okay, so you take x squared and multiply to x power 2, this is just x power 4. Do we want it? We don't want, right? Because we neglect x power 3 and above. So what are we left with? X squared is all that we are left with. Okay, with that, you have solved BMQ question 3a.